How are you doing, Yakalisi Don? I miss you too much. And how is Aim Shalili? I miss you too, your back car. Yabanokti. I am happy to see you grow into a successful person. I still see your school classmates, Hazana. We. Hammam. We. Fariz, and Habiba. All of them convey their best wishes to you. In fact, I missed them all, but I missed Rashida, my goat, the most. What would you like to drink? I knew that your company exports vegetables and fruits to neighbor countries, and I have suggestions for slogans that can be used. Like what? Like Qad al-Mangaman Abu Adnan, Al-Qasa, Al-Zibaydaman Abu Sha'alan, Yarumi al-Alia, Qadiya Setsania, Koram Baladi, Kodiyam Salabi, Yatin Walan Abzayak, and many other ones. Yakali, we are not trading in Sukilabur. And your slogans are nice, but purely domestic ones. Yakali, I need you on a much more important issue. I know that you were a chief accountant for a long time, and I need you to explain some details about the statement of cash flows. It is my pleasure to assist you, but which parts of the statement of cash flows? Let's start with what the operating activities are. Operating activities are all transactions and other events that are not financing and investing activities. Cash flows from operating activities are primarily derived from the principal or revenue-producing activities of the entity. They generally result from transactions and other events that enter into determination of net income. Please, Yakali, give me examples of both cash inflows and cash outflows from operating activities. Examples of cash inflows from operating activities are 1. Cash receipts from sales of goods and services including collection of accounts receivable. 2. Cash receipts from royalties, fees, commissions and other revenue, and 3. Cash received in form of interest and dividends. Examples of cash outflows from operating activities are 1. Cash payments to suppliers for goods and services. 2. Cash payments to employees. 3. Cash payments to government for taxes, duties, fines, and other fees or penalties. And 4. Cash payments for interest on debt. Be aware, Yabakar, that there are two methods of presentation of cash flows from operating activities in the statement of cash flows. What these two methods are? The two acceptable methods of presentation of cash flows from operating activities are 1. The direct method, and 2. The indirect method. The only difference between these two methods is their presentation of net cash flows from operating activities. The total cash flows from operating, investing, and financing activities are the same regardless of which method is used. Thank you, Yakali, and let's go for lunch. I hope when we are back you will have time to continue your explanation.